Don't be afraid to lean into your corners, eh? You're like you're trying to fight it, you're almost trying to stay upright, like bolt upright. So when you start doing higher speed corners, you will lean in. Yep. That bend there, because you're on the like the outside there and you can't see what's coming up, so I would go more to the left as you go around there. Was that a head check for that corner? Ah, okay. It's alright then, I'll let you off. You've got to turn your head more than that, Joe. You can barely see that sticker moving when you turn your head then. So as remember what Wayne said, you've got to turn your head so they can see it. It's no good just flicking your eyes because they'll mark you down on it. That's better. Go down to Gay Street and go in that way. There should be bugger all people at the Oval because everyone's supposed to be at home. Doesn't look like it though, does it? Probably about the same number as normal. Okay, just pull over to the side when you go in there. Yep. What I'm going to do, I want you to follow me. Okay? But keep your revs. Here, see how high mine's revving? Now I won't change that. That's still revving like that, but I'm doing 6 k's an hour because I'm using the clutch and the brake. I can make rev higher. Can you hear that revving? Come up closer then. So you basically, as I say, keep your revs up, use your clutch. And you'll find if you do that, your, I'll just speed up because there's a car behind us, your U-turns, and that'll be a hell of a lot easier. Now just slow down, and what I want you to do is just ride as slow as you can. I'm going to try to get down to about 5 kilometres an hour. My revs are still up. Actually, if you want to pull over and jump off, take your helmet off, and then you can have a listen to what my bike's doing, just to give you an idea. Just pull over there somewhere. Okay. Just open your visor then. Can you hear that? Now that's just controlling it with my brake and my clutch. Mainly clutch. The brake's just resting. But so you can actually rev your bike right up, and if you do that, just practice just going around the car park. Aim to get down to about 3 or 4 kilometres an hour doing that, and just ride around like that, and you'll get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of that, you can basically put your bike on full lock and around you go. Okay? So when you come up to the corners and that, so just try to get down to about 7 or, well, probably 4 or 5 kilometres an hour and just go around. You could actually just go back and forth around here if you want. It's probably easier if you do a bit of a straight run. But keep those revs up, use your clutch and your brake. That's right. It's not a major drama, is it? Nah. I thought you would be going a bit tighter than that. That's why I moved back. Otherwise I would have stayed in. No, just whenever you're ready. As I say, don't try get them straight away in that. Go for like 3 or 4 bays to start with. And then as you get more confident, pull it in. So that's about 3.5, roughly. 4. You nearly went out to the 4th. That's about 5. Okay. Well, I just want you doing U-turns, back, forth, back, forth. That's 6 bays. Yep. And then you can come out here, do a U-turn and go back. Use the accelerator and clutch. Okay, that's about 2.5. Slow your speed down. That's it. There you go. That's about your 2.5 again. So you don't have to get it really tight to start with. Just get your confidence back. That's what tonight's all about, getting your confidence back on those U-turns, because you were doing them quite fine to start with before last night. That's probably, that would be fine. I'd say 2.5.